Satu is label your emotion. This is actually part of emotional intelligence. You need to label your emotion. Dah tak ingat siapa ya, dia kata emotion ni when you name it, you can tame it. Yang buatkan dia liar tu sebab you tak identify dia. Tu sebab orang yang mungkin dia tak boleh nak describe emotion itu, dia memang, that is the first hurdle. Okay, so first step, label your emotion. Be as specific as possible, dia kata. What are you really feeling? Kalau Dr. Had tulis, I'm a very, illustrator, I need to see it rather than just cakap, I tulis. Benci, marah, sakit hati, rasa betrayed, tulis, okay? My therapist will have this strategy, dia kata, okay, banyak tu, dia kata 20 lebih, 22 tu. Okay, cluster it, dia kata. So, kita macam cluster macam mana? Cluster it according to the trigger. Sebab you see, some memang emotion tu specific for certain trigger. So it helps. So that is labeling the emotion. Very important. You cannot do this process until you label it. Labeling your emotions provide useful information. Your emotion now become beacons. Okay? Helping you identify what you care about most and motivating you to make positive changes. So to me, this is like, emotion agility is when you transform stress to become strength. So, hold on. Kan? So, tadi label your emotion. Lepas tu you buat apa? Practice gentle acceptance. Tadi tu, yang emotional pyramid tadi, bawah sekali is gentle acceptance. What is it? Dia kata, embrace the reality of the present moment that you are feeling this, no matter how negative it is, yeah? No matter how bad your emotion is, it's you. It's yours. Gitu kan? And finally, live your values. After you label your emotion, you gently accept your emotion too, and then you have to live your value. You have to walk your talk too.